Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying both Apple ID and ensuring you can receive 2FA codes. This avoids lockouts. Back up your iPhone now so changes can be reversed if needed. Next, open Settings and sign in with the primary Apple ID. This establishes iCloud, Messages, and FaceTime connections. Once done, make sure iCloud services are syncing. Note which account handles purchases versus iCloud data. These first steps set a stable base for adding a second account without losing contacts or photos. Now add the second Apple ID selectively so you keep separate services. Go to Settings, choose Mail or Passwords and Accounts, and add account using the second Apple ID. Pick Mail, Contacts, and Calendars to keep data separated. For purchases, open the App Store, tap your profile, sign out, then sign in with the other Apple ID to buy or update apps tied to that account. Once configured, make sure each app or service shows the intended account so nothing syncs incorrectly across ID. Finish by reviewing every service in Settings to confirm which Apple ID is active for iCloud, Messages, FaceTime, and the App Store. If something fails to sync, sign out of the affected service, restart the iPhone, then sign back in with the correct credentials and 2FA code. If app purchases won't update, switch App Store accounts temporarily. Troubleshooting tip: if persistent conflicts occur, restore from the backup you made earlier or contact Apple support with both Apple ID available to resolve account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.